enjoyed after that.
Today I'm here that I cracked level 1 NMTC exam.
Extramarks has an online learning website which has features like
LearnList helped me organize my study, and when I was studying randomly, it helped me.
Test analysis has helped me to see my report card and improve my studies.
It helped me to understand what level I needed to be, what extent I needed to study to improve myself in exams.
recorded videos, lecture notes and learn lists which help you preparing before the exam.
Whenever I had a question or a doubt, I went to ask them and I would get it cleared instantly.
That faculty had helped me very easily.
The Extramarks faculty was very helpful and very kind.
Extramarks has helped me study from going from low marks to very high marks.
Extramarks has been very helpful in the journey.
Extramarks.
Extramarks.